Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to give you how I manage my time as a vocational boarding school designer major student with only 4 ways. And so please pay attention to my video because of what? Because our time is our goal. Because time is gold. So let me introduce myself first. My name is Yafi, and I'm from an Islamic boarding school student in IDN boarding school, and I'm a designer major 10th graders student that mainly work as UI UX designer. So in UI UX designer in this school, I always do my project, my designing project. So I need to manage my time and also my project. And then, why do I want to tell you about this topic or this my time management? Because inside your high school or in vocational school, we nearly touch the real life, the work, career, and college. So here, I'll give all of you just 4 ways. Because in senior high school and also in vocational school, you guys are having more time than me because I'm also having dormitory activity, so it will be cut my time because I can't bring my laptop or touch my laptop anywhere and anytime. So here, the first way is always remind yourself that you have to focus on your projects. And for example, if you have 2 or 3 projects, and there's one project that have many progress than the others, please work on that project first, that have the much progress, the manyest progress that you have, so you can work less and work on the next project. And then second is focus on your main project, and you can easily finish it faster, like I said before. So do it the most progress you had, and then you can continue. You can work on them faster, and then you can continue to the next project. And then the third one is use 20 minutes for work and 5 minutes for rest. So I usually work like 30 minutes more than that, but I have one tips. So if you work on your project and you feel like it's too long for you, you can just open your entertainment or you can sleep, but you have to manage your time too. So for example, I work for 30 minutes and then I need a rest, and maybe I'm just gonna take 5 or 10 minutes for rest, so it wouldn't be too long than the work time. Because if you do more rest, you will be lazy and you will not continue the project. Then the one thing that you can miss it is the duration. Like I said before, your duration must be less than your work. So don't be too long on your entertainment thing or your rest thing, but do long on your project. And then the last is try to work on your project with a lot of progress in one day or one session. So for example, I have only 8 hours or 6 hours for work in here or doing my project, doing my design. I have only 8 hours from 8 to 3. So I wouldn't open my entertainment. I mean, it's okay if you don't open your entertainment or you don't rest, because your project is worth than your entertainment. So if you one day of school you don't open your entertainment like social media like Instagram, YouTube, and any others, it's okay because your project is the most worth more than your entertainment. And then that's it. So you need to manage your duration and also your project too. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.